So it turns out that I have an infection this time. Chili came out. How awful is this? Hello. I'm just grabbing this, okay. Hello. Alright, y'all. So I'm back here in the room. I'm waiting on the doctor to come in. Like I said, hopefully everything turns out to be okay. And I can go home, because I need to clean up my house like really bad. So all right, y'all. So it turns out that I have an infection in my head. And she said that could be the cause of the dizziness. I'm praying and hoping so, because I wouldn't want it to be anything else. So they're going to start me on antibiotics today. And then I'll just have to go get the other antibiotics later on, in which I will. By the way, we were supposed to be having like a real bad storm here in St. Louis. So I pray that everybody stay safe wherever you at. If y'all have bad weather that's going on, y'all stay safe. Don't go out if you don't have to. And just be cautious, because it can be dangerous. And y'all, we read about stuff like this every year. So y'all, we just need to be careful. But yeah, so they're about to start me on antibiotics, and I'm hoping that I feel better at least by tomorrow, if not a couple of days from now. So all right, update y'all. They just did a EKG because I did tell them that I had like a slight pain in my chest. So they checked that out. Hopefully everything comes back normal. Yeah, I'm like, I feel fine, but we just never know. Like I said, they did the blood work, and he's gonna check for my meds. All right, y'all. So my neighbor gave us this basket for Christmas. Well, actually, she gave us a Christmas gift. She started this thing where, I don't know, out of all the neighbors, she chose me, y'all. And she been giving like Christmas gifts like every year. So we returned the favor. So this year I beat her to the punch, and I was not expecting anything. I just wanted to let her know that I appreciate her for just thinking about us. So then they came back with this, y'all. Like, how thoughtful is this? I went and got her a bottle. Well, I went and got them a bottle of wine. Just let them know I appreciate them. But I wanted to show you guys, like, yeah, my neighbor is the bomb. Like, seriously, my neighbor is the bomb. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, and look at all this stuff in here. Like, this is like stuff that I can, like, seriously use, y'all. Like, who don't need deodorant and toothpaste? And okay, Febreze. I do. Me. Thank you, neighbor. Good morning. Yeah, I haven't even washed my face yet, but I'm about to go in there and wash my face. Yes, it is the next day. I came home. They end up giving me some. Yeah, I'm sorry about my face, but they end up giving me some antibiotics. I came home, ate a little something, and I drank me some wine. Yeah, I was knocked out. I feel a little bit better today, and thank God that I do. So today I'm just gonna continue to vlog, and it's not too much that we're doing because we snowed in. So yeah, it is snowing. It's snowing.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. Got me thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails. Like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in. I've been on the you. Nothing left to the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to put me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. If you hold me all the way down, if you pull me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. I'm with you all the way. Ooh, you looking good, you got me going. I love it when you put that thing in motion. I got some things I wanna show you. Just let me in it, I bet I could have you floating. Pull up to the crib, blow up your spot, I'll make you miss it. Way you look, he lost, I know you got him feeling sicko. Throwing up them bands, sit back and watch them Billies trickle. The way she do the vibes, it got me focused on that center. I hit it to you tense, come back down to keep it real. So good, I lock it down, I got a crystal for that finger. Got them bitches living, but that ain't no thing, cause I mean it when I say I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to put me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. If you hold me all the way down, if you pull me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. I'm with you all the way.
All right, y'all, so I usually just open this and put my things in there, so all the juice that was in here, I just drain it, because I buy the chili brick, so I don't need like the juices that come in it. So all right, y'all, so dinner is done, and this is how the chili came out. Okay, y'all, look at this. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this sit, let all the seasoning get inside of it, go down, and I'm gonna serve it. All right, y'all, so this is how I'm going to end my nights. Yes, and I'm just gonna drink a little bit, because y'all know I'm on these antibiotics, so yeah. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.